Minister, in January of this year, a woman by the name of Trish Flavin died suddenly, leaving 5 children, twins aged 5, a boy aged 6 and 2 girls 11 and 16. And I would argue, and her husband would argue very strongly, that this was a consequence of them being a victim of the tracker mortgage scandal. In 2016, they received an eviction notice, a repossession by the Bank of Ireland. And on 14th of February this year, they received an apology from the Bank of Ireland, yet they continue to proceed with the repossession. Will you and your government ensure that the mortgage special court bills and the mortgage arrears bill will be fast-tracked? And will you also ensure that the family of Trish Flavin will not be evicted?
Promise legislation.
Yeah, that legislation is being worked on at present, and there's a lot of work underway between the Department of Justice and the AG on that, and we'll progress it as soon as we possibly can. I should say the Government has put in place a lot of supports now and a lot of advice for people who are facing mortgage arrears and facing repossession. Jointly funded by my own department and that of the Minister for Justice is the Awalia scheme, which provides people with money advice, legal advice and financial advice that they may need, and that is already available.
Thank you, Minister. Deputy Ellis.